Um, I want to say that first, I want to thank Kevin and David and my good friend, Dr. English, for inviting me to speak to you today. I'm so happy to be in a room full of counselors because in my educational journey, I started first off as a ninth grade teacher, right? And then eventually I became a counselor. And I was a guidance counselor up in Yonkers. And I had an opportunity to work with both elementary school students and high school students and students that were also in like what you would call project second chance types of programs to kind of get themselves, back. And I love this the name of the organization, Counselors in Schools, because it seems like, and you're all going to understand what I'm about to say, that every time there's a budget cut, the first thing that they attack is counselors, and they take counselors out of schools. And I think it's because there are very few leaders that understand the value and the importance of counselors and the work that we do on a consistent basis. And I think that since this global pandemic, I think people got a chance to really reevaluate and reflect and think about the importance of counselors in schools, the need for counselors in schools, what counselors do to help children stay in school, stay focused, stay moving, because we know that there are several issues that impact all communities. I want to say Black and brown communities in particular. And oftentimes it is the counselor meeting with that student, holding those groups, that is the reason for a student to even get up and go to school in the morning. And so it's an honor for me to be here with you today and talk to my colleagues, counselors in schools.